Hey everybody, bringing you some stress-free, easy tacos tonight. Some might even call these lazy tacos. We actually have some delicious tomatoes from our grow tent that we have over here. It's going to be a really quick assembly. The kids love this. We have about 3 pounds of ground beef. We're going to be using 3 spice packets. We got some taco sauce. We got some sour cream. We're going to be making a little crema sauce here with these together. Frying up some tacos. It's going to be pretty simple. Stick around. We'll show you how it's done. And we're using some 90-10 ground beef, or else we wouldn't add any oil. But yeah, we're adding oil. All right, you guys, super easy. The meat took about 10-15 minutes. Then we let it sit, soak up all that water we put in there. Honestly, it took longer to prep and cut up all the veggies than it did to do the meat. So the whole dish, I would say, maybe takes about 30 minutes, maybe 40. You got your tortillas too, to fry up enough tortillas. I guess that takes about a little bit of time too, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But a whole dinner, keep it done in less than an hour. And the kids love this one. All right, we're gonna put these together and tell you what I think. All right, you guys, that was amazing. I can see why the kids love it. It's very simple. It's very easy. Make sure you subscribe. Catch me for the next one. God bless.